of the police car. Wow, can you guess it? Oh, we got one more. See if we're here. Nah, we keep this one for the next one, okay? Whoa, there you go. Police car. Woohoo! Really cool, guys. What do you think? What do you? Wow, wonderful. Woohoo! 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 There you go. That's the police car. We just done make one. Alright. Let's see again. Alright, in our next video. What car will we create? Alright, we will assemble. Alright, from what? From the mini Lego. See you again, guys, next one on the next video of Daily Toys. Don't forget, like, share, comment, and subscribe. Alright, and thank you for Keith who already commented before previously on the previous video. Thank you so much, Keith. You're doing great. Thank you. Bye bye and see you again. Woohoo!